I believe all Americans are born with certain inalienable rights. As a child of God, I believe my rights are not derived from the Constitution. My rights are not derived from any government. My rights are not denied by any majority. My rights are because I exist. They were given to me and each of my fellow citizens by our Creator, and they represent the essence of human dignity. Never tell a man what his interests are. Be straight and open with him about your own interests. And try to put yourself in his shoes. Try to understand his hopes and his limitations, and never insist that he do something you know he cannot. My own father had always said the measure of a man wasn't how many times or how hard he got knocked down, but how fast he got back up. If you do politics the right way, I believe, you can actually make people's lives better. And integrity is the minimum ante to get into the game.